Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good afternoon to everybody and welcome in my session. I am MD Dulal Hossain, MPhil student, Department of Chemistry, Russian University of Engineering and Technology. My roll number is 13041070001. My honorable supervisor is Professor Dr. MD Ashraful Alam, Department of Chemistry, Russian University of Engineering and Technology. Academic record. I have already completed my coursework and obtained CGPA 3.19 out of 4. Tentative titles. My tentative title is Synthesis, Characterization, and Computational Studies on some Organic Compounds. Objectives of the study. Objectives of my studies are synthesis of some new organic compounds, characterization of organic compounds, and computational investigation of the compounds. Now the synthesis and crystallization of my first compound. An ethanolic solution of 2-amino-4-methylphenol was added dropwise to an ethanolic solution of 3,5-dibromosalicylaldehyde with continuous stirring at 100 degrees Celsius temperature. Whereupon a solid orange product was obtained immediately. Happen. আচ্ছা আসতেছে। Then the resulting, whereupon a solid orange product was obtained immediately, then the resulting mixture was stirred for further 1 hour for the completion of the reaction. Then the resulting solid orange product was collected by filtration, washed several times with hot ethanol, while a orange needle-like single crystal were obtained by the slow evaporation from a DMF acetonitrile solution after 15 days. This is a ketotype organic molecule which is 2,4-dichloro-6,2-hydroxy-5-methyl-aniline methylidine cyclohexane 2,4-dienone. Now the synthesis and crystallization of my second compound. An ethanolic solution of 2-amino-4-methylphenol was added dropwise to an ethanolic solution of 3,5-dichlorosalicylaldehyde with continuous stirring at 100 degrees Celsius temperature, whereupon a solid orange product was formed immediately. Then the resulting mixture was stirred for further 1 hour for the completion of the reaction. Then the resulting solid orange product was collected by filtration, washed several times with hot ethanol, while a orange single needle-like crystal were obtained by the slow evaporation from a DMF acetonitrile solution after 15 days. This is also a ketotype organic molecule which is 2,4-dibromo-6,2-hydroxy 5-methyl-aniline methylidine cyclohexane 2,4-dienone. Now the result discussion of my first compound. IR compound of IR of the first compound. In IR spectrum, we found ketonyl carbon shows a band at 1502 centimeter inverse. The carbon nitrogen bond shows a band at 1636. The nitrogen hydrogen band shows a band at 3211, and hydroxyl bond shows a medium band at 3445 centimeter inverse. On the other hand, the experimental values are very much closer to the theoretical values. In these studies, all these All the theoretical calculations are carried out by using DFT B3LYP method. This is the R spectrum of compound 1. Now the visible spectrum of compound 1. In the spectrum we found, the compound shows 4 band at 210, 220, 240 and 260 nanometer due to pi electronics transactions, and also at 375 nanometer due to N2 pi star electronic transactions. Beside this, the compound shows a small band at 470 nanometer, which indicate that the compound exists as ketoamine from. Crystal structure description. In the crystal, carbon to oxygen 1 bond distance is 1.274 angstrom, which is suggesting that there has a double bond between carbon to oxygen 1 atom. The carbon 9 oxygen 2 bond distance is 1.358 angstrom. The carbon 7 nitrogen 1 bond distance is 1.308, which indicate that there has a single bond between carbon 7 nitrogen 1. The nitrogen 1 hydrogen 1 bond distance is 0.81. The carbon 1 carbon 7 bond distance is 1.415 angstrom, which indicate that there has a double bond between carbon 1 carbon 7. Beside this, the carbon 12 carbon 14 bond distance is 1.510 angstrom. Uh, the theoretical values are very much closer to the experimental value, while the presence of hydrogen on nitrogen atom and an intramolecular nitrogen hydrogen oxygen hydrogen bond indicate that the compound is in ketoamino tautomeric form in solid state. The correlation diagram. From the correlation diagram, we found a linearity between the experimental and the calculated. And from the correlation diagram, we found a linearity between the experimental and calculated data. The correlation diagram, the correlation coefficient of bond length and bond angle are 0.99 and 0.94 angstrom respectively. Therefore, the experimental bond length and bond angle prove that therefore the experimental therefore the correlation results prove that the experimental bond length and bond angle are in good agreement with the calculated results. In the HOMO, the electron density delocalized from halogen attached benzene group and in the HOMO the electron density in the HOMO electron density highly delocalized near halogen attached benzene ring and almost over whole molecular system. While in LUMO, the electron density shift from halogen attached benzene ring and partially delocalized almost whole molecular system. We also found the energy gap between LUMO and HOMO is greater than 2, which is 3.02 electron volt, which suggesting that the compound has high kinetic stability but low chemical reactivity. In dose spectrum, the green lines are HOMO levels and red lines are LUMO levels. From the spectrum, we get the energy gap. Which support HOMO-LUMO energy gap. In the molecular electrostatics potential mapped, the electron rich and electron poor region indicated by red and blue color. The molecular electrostatics potential method indicates the relative reactivity position in the compound in which the nucleophilic and electrophilic species can attack. HOMA calculation. Aromaticity the aromaticity term is frequently used in organic chemistry. The aromaticity of homocyclic and alicyclic can be evaluated by harmonic oscillator model of aromaticity. The HOMA index value is close to 1 for purely aromatic and close to 0 for non-aromatic compound. The calculated value of HOMA is 0.99 for carbon 8, carbon 13 ring, and 0.68 for carbon 1, carbon 6 rings. While the theoretical value of HOMA is 0.96 for carbon 8, carbon 13 ring, and 0.37 for carbon 1, carbon 6 rings. The theoretical and experimental values indicate that the carbon 3, carbon 8, carbon 13 ring is aromatic, but carbon 1 and carbon 1, carbon 6 ring is non-aromatic in nature. Acknowledgement. I would like to thanks to Dr. Tarun Kumar Pal, Associate Professor, Department of Chemistry, RUET, for various important suggestions and data analysis. I would also like to thanks to Dr. Imni Chanmia Sheikh, Okayama University of Science, Japan, for providing single crystal X-ray analysis. I would also like to thanks to Department of Chemistry, Russian University of Engineering and Technology for logistics support. List of publications. I have two publications completed. This is my first publications. This is the second one, and this is the third one which is submitted. So thanks to everybody for being with me. Thank you very much.